We'll guide you through how to import a song on GarageBand iOS on an iPhone or iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, but you can do this on an iPad as well. So for whatever reason you're wanting to go and do an import, we're going to guide you through how it's done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So what you want to do is make sure that you've got the song on your device. So you could go and airdrop it from another device, go and download it, and you just want to make sure you've got it in the Files app. So you can tap on that, press Recents in the bottom left, and you can go and find it. You can go and press Browse in the bottom right and locate it in here as well. Just make sure it's definitely on your device. Now come into GarageBand, come to the top right one, press the plus. At the top, select Tracks. Now go and swipe across. You want to go and find Audio Recorder, and you can go and tap there. Now, what we can do is we can come to the top and you can go and find those broken bars, tap there. Now, what you want to do is you want to come to the top right. You can then go and press on the loop icon like so, and this opens up this page. And you want to come to the top and go and select Files. Now, you can go down and press Browse Items from the Files app, and you can go and find the one you want to go and import. Let's go and say I want to import this one here, tap on it, and surely it's going to be added to the list here. As you can see, there it is. I actually had added it already before, but you go and get the idea. Then you can tap and hold on it and you move your finger a little bit, and then you can go and choose the position. You can go and release like so, and there it is. You can tap on it and you can then go and adjust it like so and do what you want to with it. Of course, make sure you've got the relevant licensing and permissions, etc. You can press the plus in the bottom left and do more things. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.